Okay, I'm back. The other recording was only 3 minutes. I must have lost track of time. So I'm just recording again. I'm surrounded by monsters. That zombie's coming for me. That creeper's worrying me. I really am afraid here. I'm gonna take care of that creeper. I could use the bow, but yeah. I really don't like all these mobs. Like, where are they coming from? I placed torches all over the island and I'm surrounded again. Oh, that little... Where are my arrows? There they are. Focus. Concentrate. Where? Stop moving. Ah, phone. I'm back. I just killed him. Epic lead. Okay. I don't want to shoot the melon, so I'm not gonna risk that one. I shouldn't be wasting my arrows on skeletons when I could be shooting creepers. I want you to get in the lava. Creeper. Out of arrows. I'm gonna charge in there and pwn their faces. Ow. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, son. Don't hit me off the edge, son. Oh, there's so many zombies. I'm gonna fall in that lava. Ooh, that's not good. That was awesome. I charge in there. I'm like, zombies close in. I get surrounded. Oh, that was cool. I keep falling off every cow. Let's make... I can't make another stone sword. What to do? That's my stuff there. I'm just gonna go get it. Where did all the mobs go? Seriously, it's like when I die, they all disappear randomly. Well, that's done. However, I think I have no animals left on this area. I think they've driven all of the animals off the edge, which kind of really isn't good because an achievement requires me having cows. So, oh no, that's not good. You're gonna go down in a few minutes anyway, but I guess I'm gonna just put in your face. There we go. Bone meal. No! I hate you, creepers. I hate you. I hate your face. Grr, I hate it. This sucks. Badly, too. Grr. Okay. I've got to make this island foolproof. Monster-proof, I should say. No monsters. Today, I'm working on no monsters at all. I'm not allowing it. Okay. Still some mobs around here. I'm gonna go kill the skelly. Now I've got a load of bone meal. Just get that. And I'm going to try and obtain something awesome. Ready for this? Pwned. Aw, yeah. Let's hope I get what I need with only one bone meal. One wheat seed. Ah, that sucks. Well, just one wheat seed. There we go. Any more? Any more? No. Okay. That's okay. Oh, it stopped snowing. It's sunny. So happy. Okay. Let's get some dye going. Let's get some... Oops. Wrong recipe. There we go. Orange dye. Oh, hey. No. Oh. He was still evil. I thought he was nice. Oh, the traitor. What a little traitor. The little bugger. Okay. I have a load of bone meal. Bone meal. I just am bone meal. Do. Ah, Mr. Lovely. Yes, that was a bit creepy. Okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna plant this wheat. It says I need to make a good farm, a nice farm. This is not a nice farm, but I mean, this is just to survive, you know, for now. It's just a survival farm. Let's get more torches up, because that was too dark, obviously. They probably all spawned along this ridge line. Oh, not this parkour again. Okay, I'm up. Oh, you know what? They're spawning on the trees. And that is Tema. I hear another spider. But that's okay. He's probably up there. I'm gonna have to end here. I'm gonna kill the spider, light up the area, and I'll see you next time.